There's one room in your house you're probably ignoring, and it's literally costing you hundreds of dollars every year. Can you guess what it is? It's not your kitchen, not your bathroom, not even your garage. This room is silently draining your wallet while you focus on cleaning everywhere else. It's your laundry room. Your washer and dryer are working overtime because of lint buildup, mold, and inefficiency. A dirty laundry room can increase your energy bills by 30%. Here's what you need to clean: dryer vents, washer filters, behind appliances, and those forgotten corners where moisture builds up. Clean this monthly and watch your bills drop. Don't let a dirty laundry room cost you more money. Let our professionals handle the deep clean. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com. Book your Berry Clean service online and start saving money today. Bear Brothers Cleaning. Your wallet will thank you.